Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Easy Maths Learning. Today I am going to explain you how to find out the highest common factor of two and more numbers by long division method. So first of all I take two numbers 20 and 24. So I will show you how to find out the HCF of 20 and 24 by the long division method. So this bigger number 24 becomes the dividend and the smaller number 20 becomes the divisor. So I just write it in a little bit different way. Usually we use during division method we used to write the quotient above, but here we will write the quotient on the right side. So the nearest multiple of 20 lesser than 24, which is 20. So 20 times 1 is 20. So I write down 1 here, 20 below, and I subtract. So 4 is the remainder. Now in this next step, this 4 becomes the divisor and 20, the initial divisor, becomes my dividend. So I divide 20 by 4 now. So we know 4 times 5 is 20. So I write down 5 on the right side in the quotient portion and 20 below, and I subtract. Now since this is leaving a remainder 0 when I am dividing by 4, so we can say that 4 is the HCF. 4 is the HCF, or the highest common factor of 20 and 24. So this is the method of finding HCF of two numbers by long division method. Now I am going to show you how to find the HCF of three numbers using this long division method. Suppose I consider three numbers 15, 25 and 75. So out of these two numbers, which we will first divide the two smaller ones. So here the middle number, that is 25, becomes the dividend for the first step, and the smallest number 15 becomes my divisor. So the number, the multiple of 15 which is lesser than 25 is 15 itself. So we know 15 times 1 is 15. So I write down 1 on the right side and 15 below, and I subtract. So it's 10, the remainder. Now this 10 becomes the divisor in the next step, and the 15 becomes my dividend. So the nearest multiple of 10 which is lesser than 15 is 10 itself. So 10 times 1 is 10. So I write down 1 below. I subtract 10. I get the remainder as 5. Now I divide this 10, the previous divisor, by 5. This remainder 5 becomes my divisor here. So we know 10 is a direct multiple of 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So I write down 2 on the right side. I write down 10 below, and I subtract. So this becomes 0. So 5 is my HCF of 15 and 25. I am writing it here. 5 is HCF of 15 and 25. So I will consider this 5 now to find out the HCF between 5 and 75. So 5 becomes my divisor and 75 becomes my dividend. So we know 5 times 15 is 75. So I write down 75 here. I subtract 0. So since dividing 75 by 5, I get a remainder 0. So I can say that 5 is my, or 5 is the required divisor is the required divisor of 15, 25, sorry, is the required HCF of 15, 25 and 75. That means 5 is the highest common factor, which is common to 5 common factor of 15, 25 and 75. So this is the process of finding out the HCF of 2 and more numbers. Even if it is 4 number or 5 number, we will follow this concept and find out the HCF. So if you like my video, please do like it and share it and subscribe to my channel. In my previous videos, I have also shown you how to find out HCF by prime factorization method, regarding LCM by division, and also by prime factorization method. You can also go through them, and if you like it, you can share it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get in touch with me, contact with me on my given contact details on my mobile or WhatsApp, on my email. Also, you can go to my website where all my details is given. So I will be waiting for your contact. Thank you.